Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from Ideas to IT. Ideas to IT is hiring 2024 and 2023 pass batch candidates for software engineer trainee role. For this, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, and MSc degree candidates can apply. All branches candidates are eligible. This is a mass hiring. So in this video, I will discuss what is the eligibility criteria, what is the salary package, what is the job location, how to apply. Everything I'll discuss in this video. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our Code with Anurag YouTube channel, please do subscribe because here you will get daily latest job updates with placement preparation in English. And this is our other YouTube channel, Job Updates for You, where you will get daily latest job updates with placement preparation in Hindi. So please subscribe to this channel as well. Now let's start the video. Once you will click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box of this video, then it will redirect you on this official website of this Ideas to IT. This is the official website. Here this job is only for freshers, right? So BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc candidates can apply. 70% criteria is there. Yes, you should have at least 70% criteria in your 10th, 12th and in your graduation or post graduation, right? 2023 and 24 pass batch candidates can apply. Salary will be 3.3 lakhs per annum. After that, job location will be Chennai. You can see all the benefits and perks here: innovation, growth opportunities, impactful work, collaborative spirit, right? All the details you can read, right? Yeah, you can read all the below details. Technologies is at the heart of what we do. So these are the technologies they use in their company, their organization, right? So you can see all the details. Now let's discuss how to apply. That is very easy. Simply you need to click here, apply now. Once you click here, apply now, then wait. Here it will redirect you on this website. Here you need to click here, let's find out. Here you can select, you can see before we log in, can you, what are the your qualifications? So you need to select yes if you are from either MSc in mathematics or CS or IT, or BE, BTech in these branches. All the branches, almost all branches are covered, right? So yeah, you can click on this yes. After that, click on the next. Then year of passing 2023 or 24, whatever, right? After that, next. Then your first name. So you need to enter your first name. For example, Anurag Tiwari. Then we need to click here next. After that, you can see fire away. After that, you need to click here your UG department, whatever, what is your department. So for example, my department is BTech CSE. Year of completion, yeah, actually my year of completion is not 2023 or 24, but for now let's select 2024. Here CGPA, undergraduation CGPA. So CGPA is 9.4, right? Or college name. Okay, so we need to enter in between 10 to 10, between 1 to 9, right? 1 to 10. It should not be in decimal. Actually, it's GPA. So let's put 9 only. After that, your easy name. For example, DTU, right? So you can select here how many backlogs you have. So you can mention 0, right? Here you can enter your university ID. For example, I'm just putting any random ID. To click here next, then you can click on the next. Actually you can select here, just a second. So here you need to enter your PG degree qualifications, but if you have done PG, then only you need to fill. Otherwise, if you have done only graduation, then you can ignore this and don't fill anything. Then simply click on the next, right? After that, here overall 10th or 12th overall percentage, so you can mention 90% or whatever it is, right? And our total score, 12th math score out of 100, so 94. 10th overall percentage 84 and math score 98, right? You need to put your actual score. So click on the next. Then here you what are the languages do you speak? So English in whatever language. For example, English space comma in Hindi. Okay, after that and your mother tongue language is Hindi, right? Click on the next. Your father's name, right? let me put some random anything. For example, I'm putting anything, Anurag engineer. Here you need to enter your father's name, right? Just I'm putting my name only. Current location Delhi, hometown is also Delhi. Okay, click on the next. Here your email ID, right? Email ID you need to put here. Okay, here you need to enter your mobile number 1 2 3 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, your email ID abc@gmail.com. You can enter any your email ID, alternative any, otherwise click on the next, right? You can click here on this, then click on this submit application. Once you click on the submit application, then wait, just you are done, right? What you can see, what an application, congratulations on Tiyari. Yeah, so you can see you are done. Once you apply, then after within 2 weeks, if your profile is shortlisted, then they will send you the online examining. So please apply. This is really huge opportunity for all of you. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video. Also, you can subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.